Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to edit music in Vegas Pro 20. Now here we have a clip from Production Crate, and the reason why I always use Production Crate is you never have problems with copyright. Add this to timeline. Now what we're going to do here, I'll briefly tell you what I was doing. I had a song I bought off of iTunes, and I wanted to extend part of the chorus. I found it was too short. It was a real cool song, so I tried going in Audacity. I haven't used it in 8 years. I couldn't figure it out, so I figured I just go bring it into Vegas. It's so simple. So I'll show you what I did, and this is strictly for demonstration purposes only. The timing might be off a bit. I just want to show you exactly what I'm doing here. So let's play this back. Okay, stop it there. Okay, what you do to make it simpler? You say you go into here. Marker. Into here and press marker. Keep going until you want to stop again. Press marker right there. And just give me a rough guideline of where to chop your video. So just delete this one here. Zoom in with the mouse scroll button. That looks good. So let's put the cursor there. Press S to split. And cursor. S to split. Okay, let's right click. Copy. The selected clip. Drag these back. Just say you want to make it just 10 seconds longer, maybe 20 seconds longer. So all you do is go Control V, paste it. Control V, paste it. Control V, paste it. Right click. Close gaps. Get rid of this crossfade. Split back. It may sound a little out of sync, but if you spend your time and do it slowly and methodically, you'll get it to sound really, really well. This, like I said, just for demonstration purposes only. So let's play this back. You can hear a different sound. Just a little bit. And I spent probably about 20 minutes with my video, and it turned out really well. It's not bad. If you want, you can do a crossfade too. Just try to clip over the other one. I'll show you in a second here. If you don't like it. Say it didn't sound 100% right. Let's just do a crossfade, just a real quick crossfade. Small one. Play it back again and see what it sounds like. Like I said, if you spend your time on it, do what I do, spend 20 minutes adjusting it, getting it right where you want it. It's gonna sound pretty good. Oh, I wanted to say something. This will work with iTunes. This will work with iTunes, MP3, and iTunes AAC, MP3 WAV, but it will not work for protected iTunes music. You cannot edit that. You have to burn it and bring it back in as an MP3. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too. Link below.